till I can't no more.
I got the horses in the back. Horse stock is a
Hello YouTube, once again it's your tech guide. My name is Chen and welcome to my channel. Alright, in this video content I'm going to teach you how to use this device. Alright, it's a mobile radio or a base radio, whatever you call it, it's up to you. It's a CG-828 Mini from Cignus, okay? The features of this mobile radio is it offers a crossband repeating. So for now, it's already set up with the crossband repeating that I've been using. Using my portable radio, it's been programmed, but for now, I'm going to teach you how it's being done, right? And how to enable the crossband repeating on this radio. Just follow the step-by-step procedure, okay? Before we proceed, I would like to show you a small demo on the crossband repeating that I set up, okay? So by the way, this radio is a Baofeng. It's a Chinese radio, but then it's okay. It serves with a purpose, okay? It's UV5R, okay? I'll try to press the PTT. Okay, as you can see, the repeater is receiving and retransmitting, okay? So now I'm pressing the mobile or portable radio. Okay, now how it's done, that's the question. If you want to learn or if you want to know how it's done, stick on this video, alright? So for now, I will get this keypad, alright, okay? So I'm going to do the setup, alright? All you have to do to enable crossband repeat on this device is you need to press menu. Alright, from menu, alright, you need to go to go down from the settings, alright, set, press menu again, then under parameter, you need to press menu again, alright, you will have these options, you have to press up, and then there you go. This is the secret ingredients, okay? All you have to do is enable repeat SW, and how? Press menu. Alright, press up, and then now it's on. Give it a confirmation, press menu. Now it's set to crossband repeating. Okay, so what else do we need to set up when we do crossband repeating? Of course, we need to set the tone or the CTCSS for this repeater that corresponds to your portable radio. Now, how to do that? Press exit, okay, go up again, up. Tone, it's a different setup here, it's a different tone. All you have to do is to go to here, signaling, okay? From signaling, press menu. There you go, CTCSS. This is the part you need to set your tone for your repeater, and then at the same time from your portable radio. Press menu again. Down from the receive and transmit CTCS, press OK. Now I set the setup for my setup for 91.5, okay? So I'll go up again, RX menu, I set for 91.5, okay, transmit menu again, 91.5, okay, that's it. So once everything is set, you have to exit everything, okay? Now this is the frequency that I choose, okay? I'll be transmitting for UHF with a frequency of 461.130, and I'll be receiving VHF 147.345. Okay, so I'll try again. Right, so now since your crossband is already set, we need to verify. Okay, press menu again. Alright, so this is the logo or sign, that means it's already enabled. By the way, sorry with this small ant, it's under my, what's this? Anyway, he's listening also how to set up. Anyway, going back, so you can see here this logo or icon shows that you are on crossband repeating. Okay, let's check out this option. So you need to press, okay, sorry, exit first, exit menu, and then up again to scroll the options within those 4 options. Then go to relay, press menu. Alright, so this is the option now of your repeater. Okay, press up. Relay mode. Okay, it's up to you whether you will receive for VHF, as you can see here. Receive VHF, transmit UHF. Now in this case, as I said earlier, I am receiving on VHF and transmitting to UHF. So this is the perfect settings for me that is suitable for my setup. So once it's done, anyway, so exit. All right, so I'm already set up. My crossband repeater is set up already. So what we're going to do is we will go here in my portable radio. Okay, so as you can see here, I don't know if you can see it clearly. I'll move it here so that you can see. All right, it's 461.130. okay, to set up, okay, of course we need to make sure it's unlocked. Okay, it's unlocked. Go to menu, up. Okay, just scroll. Okay, you can see here receive CTCS. I set also 91.5. It's exactly and perfectly the same that is set in my base repeater. So again, anyway, no, sorry, it's set for auto lock. So menu again, so I'll scroll. Okay, transmitting CTCS, the same 91.5. And then let's scroll. Okay, this is very important. Shift direction. So I set my option to negative. So since I'm retransmitting from UHF, which is 461.130, so when I press the PTT, it will go negative, so minus the direction. Okay, so when I press this, it goes VHF. All right, so going back. Okay, menu, shift direction. It's up to you whether plus or minus, but in this case, in my case, I set it to minus. So how to set this offset? The value here on my end is 3.3.78. Now, how it's being achieved on or how to calculate that one? It's very simple. Let's go to my laptop and search for calculator. Okay. Now, the basic mathematics will come up here. So since I'm transmitting on 461.130, so I'll do math. 461.130. Okay, now shift direction is minus. Of course, I'll go minus, and then minus the frequency that I set on VHF, which is 147.345. Okay, equals. Now you have the value of 313.785. Okay, so this is the key or the value that you need to key in into your portable radio. Okay, unlock again. Menu. Now that's the offset, 3.3.78. Okay, it's exactly the same. So what I'm going to do now is I will test. So if you are how to say this, if you set this radio, you have to make sure all your radio is set to these settings. All right, so in this case I will get my other radio which is already set to this frequency. All right, so I also have here the UV5R from Baofeng. Okay, so I will put it here, and then let's try transmitting. I will transmit. There you go. My transmission goes to the repeater, and then the repeater retransmit to this radio, which is 461.130. Radio testing, radio testing. This is radio test. Okay, so that means my repeater is working. That is how you set CG-828 Mini. Alright, so in this case I will going to test another radio. By the way, my radio, the UV82 is not here, so anyway, same goes thing to this radio. Just make sure to do that setup, and then make sure to key in all those value for you to be able to achieve the crossband repeat. Okay, so I hope you understand something from me today, and I think I will end this video here. So if ever you have questions, if ever you have clarifications or maybe major correction, just make sure to drop in the comment section, and then just make sure to subscribe in this channel for you to be able to support this channel. And then at the same time, make sure you hit the ding 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 ding. Make sure to hit the bell so that you will be notified whether I have new videos upcoming that is related to technology or tech or gadgets. Okay, so for now I will stop this video and I will leave you this message: practice and make sure you do it yourself. Bye for now.
Ride till I can't no more.
I got the horses in the back, horse stock is a